Gates open, they're up and racing as expected. Simply Gold shows alertness at the start. Dayang moving up to take second. Words of Joyce in third. Running on the outside, Angel Sky. Amaro says down in P, followed by Summit Force. And moving up on the outside is entry number 8, and that's Buenas Hope. Back to the leader, Simply Gold, shot clear by about 8 lengths now. Running in second on the outside is Angel Sky by the rail. Is entry number 4, and that's entry number 4, Words of Joy. Moving up on the outside is Buenas Hope as they turn towards the last 450. It's still Simply Gold, this time maintaining an 8 lengths lead. Running in second is Words of Joy by the rail. Dayang, Angel Sky, Buenas Hope. Incorruptible is on the outside. With the last 200 meters more to run, Simply Gold this time by about 6 lengths, followed by Dayang, Words of Joy, Incorruptible. From start to finish, Simply Gold, Dayang, and finally Simply Gold, Dayang. For A, Incorruptible, Words of Joy, Buenas Hope, and Prospector's Cut.